I had always wanted to see Glacier National Park, and now I'm going to be able to. And the icing on the cake is that I get to see it from the back of a motorcycle. Well, we have been to Yellowstone twice on the motorcycle, to Beartooth Pass twice on the motorcycle, but we've never been to Glacier, and this is very unique. We've been to a lot of national parks, and each one is special in its own way, and Glacier is definitely in a class of its own. This is called Going to the Sun Road. It was completed in 1932. Can you imagine building a road like this in these mountains back in 1932? It was amazing what they were able to do. Going to the Sun Road is the only road that goes through the park. That's why it's so wild out there. And it's not a wintertime trip. Winter snows are severe and closes the road. It's usually open until mid-October. Glacier has been a park since 1910. It is in the northwest corner of Montana, known for its mountain ranges, waterfalls, lakes, and of course the glaciers.
Well, this is point and shoot because I don't even want to look down. Oh. Dropping a long way down. Oh my goodness. Oh. I'm not even looking. Oh wow.
And look at this road. It is just hanging on the side of the cliff. Thank goodness there's a guardrail here because a lot of places there isn't. Glacier is the 10th park to be designated a national park. Thank you, President Taft.
Sister-in-law Kim, I don't know about this mountain either. It's starting to remind me of Pikes Peak. This is a scary climb.
And I'm going no one, and with no one owing me, I can pack up in a minute and be ready, set to go.
Well, the bike started to heat up, and there was no place to pull over. This road was hairy enough without thinking about getting stranded.
Crying.
The bike overheated a little bit and we had to stop. We could even smell it heating. It's just quite nerve-wracking right now.
I will ride roughshod over lovers, taking trust, returning pain. Not just one time, not just two times, I mean time and time again. 'Cause I'm a real freewheeler, and I can't slow down. I'm a rolling easy, I'm a spinning round.
Well, we stopped here. The water pump is hot on the bike. It's very nerve-wracking because we're here by ourselves now. The other group went on. And it's so far down there, it makes me dizzy, and I wish he wouldn't sit there.
Sitting here and standing up, wobbling around.
I'm spinning round. I'm a real freewheeler, and I can't slow down. I'm a rolling easy, I'm a spinning round.
Well, they say these glaciers are getting smaller, some as much as 80%, and they are snow covered year round.
Yeah. Looks like a dam. Don't know if you can tell or not from this distance, but that's a waterfall. We just was at Logan's Pass Visitor Center. We're halfway. It's 18 miles. Fortunately, right now we're going down. Well, that's fortunate in a way, but maybe with overheating it's good. Yep, there's a tunnel way up there somewhere. If I could see that, right there it is. Going to the sun. Going to the sun. You could just see this road. It's just literally on the side of this mountain. Just, I mean, it couldn't be more on the side.
I've been on quite a few mountain roads, and going to the Sun Road is a must-see. For me, to ride this motorcycle in places like Glacier and seeing God's amazing creations is really living life. The US of A is so versatile and has so much to offer. Buck and I love to ride. You just never know what's around the bend, and that's the adventure of it all.